Hello, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe my channel at first and share my videos. Thank you for looking to Atom. Before we understand Atom, we look to Bitcoin price. You can see we have here some interesting constellation of Bitcoin. Let's check. So you can see all the detail. Let's start with this view. You can see here some interesting things. The long-term trend at Bitcoin is this here. Yeah. So the short-term trend line is this here. This is the channel. We can say this is our channel, and you can see we fall here out of this channel. So, and you can see the next support is in direction of 17,000, 18,000 or 20,000 here. Yeah. So we have this situation, and the question here is, has or have we have at the Bitcoin price the situation or the power to test this level here, 42,000. Yeah. And if you look more in detail, you can recognize some things here. The first thing is this is our triangle, and you can see we fall through this trend channel to the top side, and you can see we fall out of this triangle. And what we have here is to retest this area again, 38,000 maybe. Yeah, you can see here that we make this move here, but you can also recognize that we have here falling of the trend 1, 2, 3. Yeah, and I think if we make it in that way a little bit, yeah, to the sideways, then the big move is coming to the downside. Yeah, we already break this trend channel here, and I see here no negative thing here. Yeah, and we have still the negative trend. This is exists. Yeah. You can see here we have, if I zoom in, we have still the negative trend to the downside. So we have to go to the downside here. So I wait. I have time. But for me, is the market is too dangerous to trade because such moves here is not so easy to trade, and I think we could lose here very dollars to the downside. Let's look to Cosmos Atom. You can see if we compare this with Bitcoin price chart, then you can recognize we have here April and May. April and May, these two um, interesting falls to the downside, and you can recognize here we have here a trend to the downside. Here, what is for us very danger, you can see, and I think the next trend is to go to the downside here. Yeah. Let's check. That was the place in which we break out to the top side, and I think let's check here. $6 is our base, so I think we could fall to $6. Let's look this very detailed here, and also at the Cosmos price, Atom price, you can see that we fall out of this short-term channel, but this channel is still active, and if we fall out of this channel, then we have a really big problem to fall here to the downside. $11 is the next target, and we will make here then a retest, and then we see something like that. The price could go to the top side, and then the last move is in direction of $6. Yeah. So let's check. And you can see it makes sense. We could stay here at these levels and can start here a new trend to the top side, and then we could break this to the top side. So if you want more details in which we can go to the top side and you can hit here new highs, then please come on the Wolf Exclusive Club, because there you get the next trend to the top side, and you know, okay, in which areas we could go to the top side. Yeah. So we're looking back to Bitcoin price. And this move here is coming to the end. Yeah. And you can see clearly that we are preparing us to the downside. Yeah. And if this here going to the downside, then the really big massive movement to the downside is coming. Yeah. This is here nothing here. This is only the preparation to fall to the downside. Yeah. This is here. How can I say? People who understand the trading, this is our best move to the top side. Yeah. This is a special formation like hammer, inverse hammer. Yeah. This is an inverse hammer. This is highly risk to trade, extreme risky. Yeah. And people will lose here a lot of money. So there's no financial advice. Have a nice day. I go to the next crypto.